In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Ford F-250. Both driver and passenger blades are 20 inches long, so let's get started. Lift up your wiper arm, and with it in the upright position, with it all the way up, it depends on what wiper blade you already have in order to remove it. Some have nothing up top and just a little tab here that you press and slide down. Others have a cover that goes like this. Some have a cover that covers the whole thing. In my case, I just have to pry this front cover. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver and open it up, which then will allow me to slide the wiper blade down, and the wiper arm will go up like this. And there we go. At this point, you do not want to let go of the wiper arm because it's metal, and if it falls and hits the windshield, it will break it. Take your new wiper blade, slide it over, and hook it in. Now when you hook it in, you want to make sure it doesn't fall back down like this. That means it's not hooked in properly. Press it until it clicks and locks in. That's it. I can't slide it down. Once you have this hooked on each end, there will be a little white protective piece that is just there for shipping. So remove that or it'll scratch your windshield and not wipe much at all, actually. So now you want to put the wiper arm down up against the windshield and do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.